Hello, so let's do the problem of vector addition. So suppose we have this question that vector A vector, it has a magnitude 4 units, and vector B vector has a magnitude 6.30 units. 6.30 units. The angle between the vector A, the angle between the vector A and vector B is given to us, and this is, for example, is 60 degree. So your question is, find the magnitude of A vector plus B vector. So find the magnitude of vector A plus vector B. So this is our question. So for this, firstly we'll draw our diagram for these vectors. So suppose we have this axis, this is the x-axis, and the angle between these two vectors is 60 degree, and suppose here we have our y-axis. Now I'll take different colors, so let me just take this thing out. Now, so my A vector, if I take my A vector on this x-axis like this, and my B vector is with the angle 60 degree at this side, so this is my angle B, and the vector B, and the angle between them is 60 degree. So now, first of all, we need to find the components of our vectors, and then we are going to add those components together, and we'll find the addition of these two vectors. So for the vector A, so for our vector A vector, we'll have A of x equals to A cosine theta, and we will have A of y equals to A sine of theta. So A cos theta means magnitude of A. The magnitude of A is 4 units, so this 4, and the angle of A with the x-axis here is 0, so cosine of 0 degree, cos 0 is 1, so this is going to be 4, and then here you will have 4 sine of 0 degree, and this thing will be 0. So we got the components of A vector. Now we have our B vector. So B vector components will be B of x, and that will be B of cosine theta. B has a magnitude of 6.30, so 6.30 with cosine of 60 degree, and the y component will be B of sine theta equals to 6.30 sine of 60 degree equals to this. So 6.30 cosine of 60. So 6.30 cosine of 60 is equals to 3.15, and 6.30 sine of 60 we got 5.46. So these are the two components of B vector. Now our resultant. Again, the resultant vector will have two components. Let's take this with different colors. So suppose now my resultant r of x will be equals to a of x plus b of x, and that will be the 4 plus 3.15, and that will come out to be 7.15. The y component of resultant will be the addition of y component of individual vectors. So that is going to be 0 plus 5.46. That means 5.46. So now we got both the components of resultant and the total resultant vector of the addition of a vector plus b vector will be, so our r vector will be under root of r of x square plus r of y square, and then that is going to be under root of 7.15 square plus 5.46 square of this, and then this is gonna be 8.99 units. So that is our answer. The total resultant of addition of these two vectors means magnitude of a vector plus magnitude of the b vector will give us equals to 8.99 units. That is the answer. Thank you.